we are going to check out Kansas City and see what Kansas City has got to offer. So let's dive right into it. Let's go. See you there in Kansas City. Yep. Today we're going to Kansas City, so we're going to pretty much do some FPV and see what Kansas City is all about. So let's dive right into it. First class. I'm excited. Comfortable, real comfortable. Morning, we are in Kansas City and we are about to go rip the city with boss himself.
He's truly.
All right, let's check out the city. Let's dive right into it. Let's go. Gorgeous day in Kansas City, so we're about to fly real quick and pretty much see how that's going to turn out. So let's dive right into it. Let's go. We couldn't really rip downtown, so we are going to get a little bit outside of the city so we can rip. So let's dive right into it. Let's go. get out of town a little bit and pretty much capture some drone shots there. So I am Jeff with SS Insurance, and I am signing off. Later, guys. Peace.